Chores are done. Let's get some breakfast.
Okay, everyone, the eggs are ready.
They smell so good. Can I have some?
Hold on a second, I just finished slicing the bread.
Look at these carrots I pulled. They look great. Add them to the basket.
Nice work, you two. Smells wonderful, doesn't it?
Best soup we've made yet. Here come the carrots.
Careful, it's hot.
Wow, this apple looks great.
Smells good, Mom.
Keep looking, there are plenty more.
I got one.
Me too. Just one more spoonful for your father.
It smells amazing, Mom. I can't wait to try the soup.
This is the best soup I've had in a long time.
Here, Emily, have some of this fresh bread. Thanks, Mom.